Hello everybody. Today we will start with the chart of silver because I found this very nice harmonic pattern being the butterfly pattern, and it's almost a textbook example. Normally from X to B you should have the 0.786. We arrived at 0.782. So in extremis we can go down to the 0.886 from A to B, which would give us a price of 24.34, but it can also be higher. So like I said before, I'm rather looking into this golden zone. But this is the extreme case, that's still a possibility. And then we go up, and there the extreme case would be that we end up at 34.2 dollars per ounce of silver. So this is looking really good. So currently, just as yesterday, resistance, and then we have the point of control, which is support, but we already touched it a few times, so I think soon we will break through and we will see lower prices. Also, if we look at the moving averages, I take away the drawings. Moving averages, they start to line up nicely for a bull run. Everything, the moving averages were consolidating here, and now they start to diverge again. They go outside of each other, so the more out they go, the more bullish your price structure is. So this is really good. So now let's have a look at gold, because yesterday it was announced that Bitcoin was sold for gold, so we must have a gigantic rally in gold. And what do we have? A plus 0.2%. So yeah, this story from JP Morgan, I don't think it makes any sense. All right, good. Quickly, the stock market. What do we see over there? Let's put the drawings back. Again, a rally into resistance. So for the coming week, we can expect lower. And who knows, then usually some kind of story will come out why the stock market is going down. It's just a simple reason. It's at resistance and it's coming down to find support again. It's that simple. The news always comes after the facts, after the price action. So we will see. Bitcoin then. Today again, a red day. Currently minus 10%. I uploaded earlier today my algo that I use. So let's enable this one. So as I mentioned before, here I have the values. So the ATR period 75, ATR multiplier 1.5. This is my version of that script. I find it a bit more clear. So on the 12th we got a sell signal, and to be honest, I ignored it. So I usually found that when I lose money with this algorithm is because I think that I'm smarter than the algorithm, and yeah, usually the algo is right and I'm wrong. But anyway, somewhere around here I found like 3 harmonic patterns which were showing that we would go much lower. So I closed out based on that, and I could have prevented the loss further down. So for the people who want to trade with this algorithm, I would say wait. Wait for the buy signal. At this moment there's nothing you can do. So at this moment the algo has a value of yeah, it's still changing because the price has changed a lot today, but we're around 41,500. So that means if price would close above, we would get a buy signal. So for a moment, let's ignore this one. Let's have a look at the moving averages. If you want to trade off those, we have the 200 moving average in red, which is currently resistance, unfortunately. So what will come in the coming days? Because it's weekend, we have low volume, and it's easy to move the market. I was looking at this week of accumulation pattern. So for who's not familiar with this, this is how the pattern looks like. So you sell off very hard. Here you'll find first support, and you have AR, which is the automatic rally. So you bounce up, you come again at resistance, and then you come down again, retest the previous support, or go maybe a bit lower, but usually it stays above, and then it go up again to this upper region, gets rejected again, goes down again, stays above this first low to give the impression to the people that this was the bottom, just buy, it's fine, you can safely put your stop loss here. And then we have the spring where price goes below the previous low, takes out all the stop losses, and we rally up. So we will see what will happen. There's again much negative news coming out from China. Maybe it will cause some deeper drops. I was looking at this triangle, maybe this one would work out. So if I copy over this one, so you take the size of the triangle and you put it at the breakout point, so maybe we will go still a bit up, because the Americans are still trading at this moment, so we might still see price going up a bit, and then as soon as the American stock market is closed, then we might see a drop in price. And if it's not today, then Saturday, Sunday. So if we have a breakout over here, for example, then our target would be around $25,000. So if we have a look, $25,000 would be around here. There's actually not much. There was not much going on here, so I might even drop lower. Actually, we had this consolidation zone between 22 and 24,000. So if we get support here on the upper part, would be 24,000. Or if they really want to push the market, then we go back to 20K. That was such a big resistance last year, and now resistance should turn into support. So they're still buying opportunities, but for the people who are losing money at this moment, it's gonna be tough. We're gonna have to see how it goes in the coming hours and in days. But I think during this weekend they will make a move, especially with this low volume. Alright guys, that was it for me. So we did go over all the markets. One thing I wanted to mention is so regarding the Bitcoin dominance. So as I said yesterday, we were at the monthly supports, and look where we are now. We bounced up and we are now at 44%. So that means that when Bitcoin drops in price, altcoins will drop more, if Bitcoin goes up in price, altcoins will go less up in price, generally speaking. So indeed, if we have a look, so Bitcoin down minus 11%, Ethereum minus 14%, XRP minus 15.5%. So that's what you typically get when your Bitcoin dominance is going up. All right, guys, I'm gonna wrap it up. That was it for me for today. Have a nice day. Bye bye.